Big round of applause to my winner, Miss South Asia International, Trisha Guduru. She's done great work. She's been on many newspapers. She's been a UNICEF ambassador. She's given back to the community. And I'll have Jugal crown and Rolly with the sash. Jugalji, please, if you can crown her. That's our Miss South Asia International, Trisha Guduru, who is today one of the judges. So I'll be introducing the judges shortly. There you go, Miss South Asia International, Trisha Guduru. IFAC Fashion Award 2019 Best Hairstylist goes to Bansari Patel. So please welcome Bansari. Hi.
Bansari, congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazing work.
Best Bridal Showcase by Dulan Expo from Sumit Arya. I really want a standing ovation for this. I want everybody in the audience to stand. He's been doing this for many years. He's been showcasing 12 designers 6 times a year for so many years. So please, if you can hand the certificate and you can do the trophy. That's Sumit Arya and Malia from Dulan Expo. One of the best fashion showcase in the entire United States. Give a big round of applause. We are just beginners. We are just starting. I've learned a lot from Sumit. A Virgo friend. Par excellence. Thank you so much, Sumitji, for coming and honoring. Thank you, Maliha. Maliha is a great makeup artist as well. But thank you, Sumit, for taking your time out. And thank you. So we would like to call him for a few words.
Let me talk to you something. Bollywood started 1913. Okay, that was.
We want to welcome TV Asia. Thank you so much for coming. Big round of applause for our media partner TV Asia, as well as Guyana Tunes, guys. It's going live still. So share the link, watch all this concept and share it so we can get more contestants.
New Jersey, once again, the Bollywood Fashion and Entertainment was organized by IFAB Awards and Guyana Tunes. This event was full of glamorous faces and beautiful ladies who were honored by the Bollywood celebs for their expertise, talent, and remarkable achievements. Let's have a look. Indians दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में जाए, the one thing which is constant with them is their love for Bollywood, fashion and entertainment. And recently, IFAB Awards and Guyana Tunes organized this beautiful event called Bollywood Fashion and Entertainment at New Jersey.
IFAB, and I'm proud to announce that this time I partnered with Guyana Tunes, Roshan right on my right side.
And indeed, a pleasure indeed to work with Juhi and Jewels of India, IFAB. What a fantastic event it is. And I have to tell you, every year it gets bigger and better.
At this time we added not only IFAB Model of the Year, but also IFAB International Model of the Year, plus size. No one does plus, but we have a beautiful girl who carries herself very beautifully, and she's our second IFAB Plus model.
We're very proud of doing an event that went from the state level to national to international. So I think we covered quite a bit of bases here.
Thank you so much. This was a great event. I always wanted to be something into this industry, into the fashion world. So this is a great event for me.
The CEO and Chairman of TV Asia, Padma Shri HR Shah, graced the occasion of IFAB Awards as he was seen highly supportive of this initiative to make the world beautiful.
वो सागर ही क्या जिसका कोई साहिल न हो, वो सागर ही क्या जिसका कोई साहिल न हो, वो चमन ही क्या जिसमें फूल न हो, वो चमन ही क्या जिसमें फूल न हो, वो आसमान ही क्या जिसमें तारे न हो, वो आसमान ही क्या जिसमें तारे, और जीवन ही क्या जिसमें ब्यूटी पेजेंट न हो, वो जिसमें ब्यूटी पेजेंट नहीं हो. So this is the thing.
This event was attended by many well-known faces from the glam and fashion industry. Some renowned names from the Bollywood industry like Jugal Hansraj was present for the IFAB Awards. He was the highlight of the event as he was seen honoring all the winners of the event.
I think it's a great job that they've done. They've showcased clothes and culture from firstly many states in India, and then from many countries around the world. So it just goes to show that there's so much beauty in the world, there's so much culture, and we should all embrace it and learn from each other and just be happy.
It's a great honor to be here and to get the award. And yes, we've been doing these Dulan Expos since last 17 years, and it's always nice to be recognized by the community and community leaders like Juhi Jagyasi.
Hi, my name is Annalise Serena and I'm from Rochester, New York. I was just crowned International Model of the Year and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to represent IFAB and get the chance to go to Las Vegas and be in the show there.
IFAB Awards are a sign of appreciation and recognition for best of best in fields of academics, art, beauty, entertainment, fashion, food, sports and society.
And of course, partnering with IFAB, of course, Juhi Jagyasi and Anil has been a fantastic journey, and I have to say it's going to be great because we're going to be a much bigger event. We're coming to Las Vegas for the first time in history, so we have the entire of India, we have the Caribbean will be here, and of course we have lots of great things coming up. So certainly look forward for a much bigger event.
Hi everyone, my name is Kajol. I'm really excited to see what else this year holds for me. I know it's going to be an amazing journey, which I'm going to spend a lot of time self-developing and self-growing, and I'm really excited.
Well, this event was full of glamour, beautiful outfits, elegant models dressed in the best of designer gowns as they proudly showcase the culture and tradition of their respective nations.
It's an honor to be Miss India 2020. Like Kajol said, it's going to be an amazing journey ahead, so I'm very excited.
Hey guys from TV Asia, it's your girl Lakshmi Singh from the Let's Talk with Lakshmi TV show. Guys, I'm out here in New Jersey for the IFAB Awards. I was a judge and boy was it challenging. Every young lady that stepped onto that stage was absolutely beautiful. They represented their countries wonderfully with their evening gowns, their Indian wear, their cultural wear, and of course, just their smiles and their love for the audience.
With crowning ceremony of the winners, awards were also given to the best photographers, makeup artists, hair team, best Dulhan Expo fashion show and many more. It was indeed a place where the entire glam industry was present under one roof to support IFAB. वक्त हो चला है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के बाद देखिए हाइलाइट फ्रॉम द क्लोजिंग डे ऑफ साउथ एशिया।